is fast, thoroughly changes the traditional method. With good repeatability, the cutting programs can be stored into the computer. Those programs can be loaded during the mass production for the same die cutting boards. Good quality and high precision. The whole cutting process is controlled by the computer and the precision could reach plus or minus 0.05 millimeters. Automatic design. Adopt high-quality laser generator, small spot. Stable performance. Cutting from top to bottom slot is with same vertical surface. The speed and laser power can be adjusted at any time, which is very convenient for the customers to operate. Enclosed laser circuit and protection of motion part, which avoid the accidents and dust pollution. Easy operation. During the operating process, just input the drawing of the pictures to the computer and setting the laser power according to the thickness of the product. Then it can be cut. Applicable industries. Die cutting, double-faced adhesive tape processing, printing and packing, advertisement, furniture, model, art crafts industries, etc. Applicable materials. Metal, die board, wood, acryl, perspex, MDF, leather, film, composite material, etc.